I'm Sergeant Carden. Can I help you?
Nope, I didn't ask for help.
Okay, but we have somebody in foot in the area.
I know.
And if you can go down that
You know
way out
what?
of our
I've
containment.
been here for more than 15 minutes and I have not got interfered whatsoever.
Okay.
Okay,
But
so I will appreciate if you leave me
we
alone.
have a containment going on, so I need you to
Okay,
go
where's
down
the
that
tape
way
at?
out of the area.
Where's the tape at?
You're in it right now.
2 News has learned that several dozen Salt Lake City police officers are actively looking to leave the department over what they say is failed leadership.
What happens when police officers are not trained properly, or what happens when police officers are trained to violate your rights? We get videos like this. Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. This video comes to you from Utah CopWatch. Check out how this 3-striper behaves, folks. Totally unprofessional and totally outside her job duties. She's not doing her job correctly. And one more thing before you watch the video. If she's worried about a suspect, then why is she confronting the cameraman with her back turned to the possible suspect, raising her voice, calling attention to herself, and also putting her life and the cop watcher's life in jeopardy? Check out this video. We'll pause for some comments. All right, folks, let's get right to it.
Hi, can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you?
Who are you?
Salt Lake City Police Department.
I can see that. Who are you?
I'm Sergeant Carden. Can I help you?
Nope, I didn't ask for help.
Okay, but we have somebody in foot in the area.
I know.
And if you can go down that
You know
way out
what?
of our
I've been
containment.
here for more than 15 minutes and I have not got interfered whatsoever.
Okay.
Okay,
But
so I will appreciate if you leave me
We have a
alone.
containment going on, so I need you to
Okay,
go
where's
down
the
that
tape
way out
at?
of the area.
Where's the tape at?
You're in it right now.
Where's the tape?
We have our officers.
Okay, I get it.
So
I've been
you're
here
on
for a
foot in
long
the
time,
area that
okay?
We're searching for somebody, so I need
I
you
know.
to leave the area.
Sergeant, don't. I'm documenting what's going on. Okay, I'm a member of the press. Do not try to violate my First Amendment right by taking me out of here.
I'm not violating your rights, but
okay?
I'm telling you, you're currently in a containment
You're pushing me far away where I don't see or hear anything.
You
Where do
can
you
go
want?
down to that corner.
I don't need nobody to walk me down.
Okay,
Where do you want?
Down to 9th South.
You know what? That is too far. I'm just gonna go right here between the.
No, you're not gonna be by where we're at, and you're in our containment.
I'm not even close to you guys. I'm not even close to you guys.
There are many case laws, including Castle Rock v. Gonzalez, that say that police officers don't have to protect you. So why are they trying to get him to move back? My only guess is that they're trying to hide something. Police officers don't like accountability and transparency. The lower level cops don't like it, their supervisors don't like it, the chiefs of police don't like it, the mayors don't like it, the city attorneys don't like it, the city managers don't like it. These are patterns, folks. Absolutely no accountability. So why do they deserve a paycheck? That's beyond me, folks. It's sickening. Keep watching.
I'll walk you to where the edge of the scene is, okay?
What?
I'll walk you to the edge of the
Nobody's
scene.
violating your rights and
Yes,
telling
you
you
are.
can't film. I'm telling you, I need you to go out of our
Yes,
containment.
you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay, yes, you are.
Nobody's
Yes,
preventing
you
you
are.
from that. So go down
Yes,
to
you
9th
are.
South. That's where you can go.
Yes, you are. That's what you're doing.
I need you to leave
okay?
our containment area.
So if I don't leave, what?
Then you'll be interfering.
You're interfering.
Interference is a physical thing, and I'm not stopping you from doing
No,
anything.
you are interfering when I'm telling you we have an active crime scene going on, and you're currently standing in it.
You want to lower your voice? You're causing a disturbance.
No.
You want to lower your voice, please?
I want you to listen and go down to the corner.
That's too far away. I'm gonna
I
go.
don't care if it's too far for you.
See,
I'm
you're
telling
not. See,
you
you're
to
not
leave
being.
our,
You're not
our
being.
crime scene.
You're not being helpful. Okay, I'm trying to document everything.
You're not
okay?
being helpful by not listening to what we're asking you to do.
Calm down. Relax.
Go down to 9th
Lower your
South.
voice.
That's where you can
okay,
go
lower
stand.
your voice.
Okay, hey, what
you're
You need
causing
to
a
leave now.
disturbance.
What was your first name?
You're causing a disturbance.
What was
Lower your voice.
Sir, what was your first name?
I didn't say my first name.
Go down to 9th
So
South.
what can I call you?
All right, folks, before you continue to watch the video, I want to say something that's going to be extremely important for you guys to understand. One of the things that you can do on a cop watch and they're threatening to arrest you is ask them, if I don't leave or if I don't back up, will I be arrested? You guys don't have to get arrested in order to prove that your rights have been violated. The threat of arrest is just as good, folks. Now, a lot of people will tell you that you have to take the arrest, but unless they're out there doing it themselves, I definitely wouldn't listen. And you also got to know that some people just absolutely love being arrested because they think it helps their channel grow. And maybe it does. But unless you want to go down that route, don't do it, folks. Put it on them. Ask them, will I be arrested if I don't leave? So with that being said, understand that Utah CopWatch, I believe, did the right thing. These cops were extremely aggressive, and we can still make complaints, make some phone calls, and hold them accountable. Watch the rest of the video, and I'll give you my final thoughts at the end.
Go down to 9th
So,
South. You need to leave now.
This is an active crime scene right now. So
Are you refusing to
We
leave?
have to have you move from
I
the
never
area.
said no.
Are you refusing
I
to
never
leave?
said no.
Then you need to start walking to 9th South right now.
I can show you exactly where to go. You're more than welcome to film. We're happy with you filming. We're just gonna
Obviously
escort
not.
you out of the crime scene.
No, nobody said you couldn't
Okay,
film.
so we're gonna
Straight
go down
down
this
to
way
9th
out of the crime
South.
scene. I'll show you
Obviously
where.
not.
You good, man?
You
You're
gotta
more than
push
welcome.
me away where I can't see
No,
anything.
you're more than welcome to film.
Can't see anything or hear anything. That's what you guys want to do.
We're just getting you out of the middle of a crime scene.
See, they want you to go. They want me to go all the way over there to that corner. Which, standing right here in this by this tree should be fine.
Okay.
Not going not interfering whatsoever. But you guys always have to
Do it.
exert your.
So that intersection right there. So you got.
Hey, what was your name again?
My name's Officer Vaughn, Salt Lake City Police.
All right, thanks, man.
No problem. So yeah, just go to that intersection. You'll be fine. Okay. All right. Thanks, boss.
Alright folks, so look, I know what many of you are thinking. Why should I go subscribe to this guy if he walked away? But look folks, you're still subscribed to me. I've done that before. I've walked away under threat of arrest. And many of us have been arrested already. A lot of us are fighting cases. Many of us have kids at home. We have jobs to go to. We risk a lot while being out there. And please, if you're gonna leave those comments, just think about it first. Would you do it if you were there? And if you leave those comments, I'm gonna go to your channel and I'm gonna take a look at the videos you have. If you don't have videos where you taking arrests under threat of arrest, well, let's just say that's not a good look. If you go to Utah CopWatch's channel, you'll see that he has amazing videos. He's actually been doing this a long time. This guy has my full-on support, and I believe he deserves your support as well. He's been supporting a lot of us for a long time, folks. This guy has a full-time job, and he has kids he has to support, so keep that in mind as well. There was a lot of things that he said in this video that I absolutely loved. For instance, when he started telling her that she was causing a disturbance over and over again to lower her voice, I thought to myself, that's exactly what police tell us all the time. Even if we whisper too loud, we're being disorderly. I truly believe in my heart that they were trying to hide something in this video. Were they trying to hurt somebody? Salt Lake City, Utah Police Department has a bad reputation for killing people and also getting away with it. They think they're untouchable, folks. The lower level cops don't even want to work with them, as you've seen in the news segment at the beginning of the video. With that being said, folks, please go subscribe to Utah CopWatch. I'm going to drop the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Please let them know I sent you. Have yourselves a great holiday season. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.